Good morning, children. Our today's topic is quadratic equations. Our question is represent the situation mathematically. Represent the situation mathematically means we frame the equation according to the given condition. Look at the first question. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Represent this situation all mathematically. That means we assume the number of marbles John had be X, and what is the number of marbles Jivanti had? Let the number of marbles John had be X, and what is the number of marbles Jivanti had? Number of marbles Jivanti had. They have total 45. Total number of marbles 45. Suppose one have 10 marbles. What is the number of marbles have the other person? 45 minus 10. Total marbles 40. One have 10 marbles, the other have 45 minus 10 marbles. Similarly, total 45 marbles, one have X marbles. What is the number of marbles the other person have? 45 minus X. Here we assume the number of marbles John had be X. So the number of marbles Jivanti had be 45 minus X. We add these two, X plus 45 minus X is equal to what is the total? 45. So the number of marbles John had be X and Jivanti had 45 minus X. Then what is the second condition? Both of them lost 5 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles. In this situation, number of marbles John had is equal to how many marbles John had? We assume X. Both of them lost 5 marbles means X is now X minus 5, and number of marbles Jivanti had is equal to 45 minus X minus 5 is equal to 40 minus X. Then in this situation, both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have. When they lost 5 marbles, at that time the product of the marbles they have is 124. That means X minus 5 into 40 minus X is equal to 124. X into 40, 40x minus X into X, X square, minus 5 into 40 minus 200 minus 5 into minus X is plus 5x is equal to 124. For minus X square first, 40x plus 5x, 45x minus 200, and bring this 124 to the left side. It is minus 124 is equal to 0. So minus x square minus plus 45x minus 200, 124 minus 324 is equal to 0. Here our first term is negative. Multiplying throughout by negative, x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is the situation. This situation is a quadratic equation. So, x square minus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. Sorry. Minus x square plus 45x minus 324 sign changes plus multiplying throughout by negative sign. This is positive, this one is negative, and this is positive. X square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Then second question. Question number 2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy bracket in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the cost of production was rupees 750. Represent this situation mathematically. Read the question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. We assume the number of toys produced in a day is equal to x. So what is the cost of production? Cost of production is 55 minus the total number of toys produced in a day. So let the number of toys produced in a day is equal to x. The cost of production of each toy in rupees. Cost of production of each toy is equal to 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. 55 minus number of toys produced in a day is x. On a particular day, the cost of production was rupees 750. How to find the cost of production? Total cost of production is equal to number of toys produced in a day into cost of production. That is equal to x into 55 minus x, and in a particular day it was rupees 750. That means number of toys produced into cost is equal to total cost of production. That is, total cost of production is one particular day is 750. So x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. 55x minus x square is equal to 750. 55x minus x square minus 750 is equal to 0. Multiplying throughout by negative sign, first we write x square term, that minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. X square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years. Three years from now will be 360. Represent the situation mathematically, or another name algebraically. Represent the situation mathematically or algebraically. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now will be 360. First, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So, we assume let Rohan's age is equal to x years. So, what is Rohan's mother's age? Rohan's mother's age is equal to, according to the given statement, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. That means 26 plus x, or x plus 26 years. Then the product of their ages in years, 3 years from now. 3 years from now. What is the age of Rohan? Age of Rohan. 3 years from now means after 3 years. Rohan's age is now x. After 3 years it is x plus 3. And 3 years from now, age of Rohan x plus 3, and age of Rohan's mother is equal to, mother's age is 26 plus x plus 3 is equal to x plus 29. After 3 years, the age of Rohan and his mother is, the product of the ages of Rohan and his mother is 360. That means, according to the given statement, x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 29 into 3. 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x What is 360 minus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. 360 minus 87. 10 minus 7, 3. 5. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 2. 273. So x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. This is the situation. X square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Homework 4.1, 2, 1 and 2. Thank you.